Hey, good evening. We are got a fascinating deal here with the Spirit of Oklahoma Fire Rescue. This is one of the trucks that students from Oklahoma raised funds, almost $600,000, to donate for a new fire truck for New York after 9/11, because all their fire engines, a lot of those were damaged. So it's pretty cool. We're going to work on it, get it back in shape, and it's going to go in the museum here in Oklahoma. And what you can see right here is all these names right here in the background are New York firefighters who helped out during the Murrah bombing, and they perished in the Trade Center. So it's very special, very touching, and we're going to follow this all the way through. Start and run, we're going to take it over to our auto body shop, and they're going to kind of do some cosmetics with it, bring it back, bring out the reds and the different colors, and fix some of the panels where they're dented, and just kind of, bring her back to what she used to look like. The fire department reached out to us, the museum reached out to us, and asked if we would want to partner with them to make it something that they could actually maybe use in future projects and have at the museum.
What does this mean to the students who are able to get in there? And I mean, this is the Spirit of Oklahoma. I mean, it's a big deal.
Well, there's a huge story behind all this, and I know with the firefighters that names are listed on the side who died in 9/11 also actually helped in the Murrah bombing building several years before. So there's a huge connection with Oklahoma, and so our students are going to not only learn the history of what took place back in the 90s with the Murrah bombing, but also 9/11. So it became something dear to the heart of some Oklahoma students and teachers. They wanted to raise money to supply the New York firefighters with a truck. And so it cost several $100,000, so they raised that money, bought the new truck, sent it to New York, and it was in service until it retired. And so when Oklahoma got it back, Tulsa Tech was glad to be able to help bring it back to life, because it started with students in Oklahoma 20-something years ago, and it's ending with students working on it and refurbishing it that many years later. So it's just a really neat thing that we get to be a part of, and we're blessed by it.
And how long did you say it will take before it's...
Well, we're going to start working on it in the fall, probably September. We'll work on it through the year. It's going to be a process, so it's going to take probably 6 months to a year to get it all done, because we're going to try to go all through it and do what we can do, and just try to make it reliable as well. No, we just appreciate to get to be a part of it, and we look forward to a great partnership with a piece of history, not only for New York, but a big piece of history for Oklahoma. Hey, we're fixing to hook up here. We got Allied Story Record, volunteered their service to hook onto this fire truck, Spirit of Oklahoma, and we're fixing to head out, head back to campus. Talk to you later. here.